Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside WordPress with the post or page open. First, confirm your SEO plugin is active. Once done, locate the plugin's meta box or snippet editor beneath the content area. Click into the meta description field so you can type directly. You're doing this now to control how search engines and social shares display your summary, so make concise, relevant text that includes the main keyword early. Save a draft before major edits to avoid accidental loss. Now you'll craft the actual meta description. Start with your primary keyword, then explain the page's value in a single clear sentence. Use a call to action if space allows. Make sure the length stays between about 120 and 160 characters so it won't be truncated. Once done, check that it's unique compared to other pages to prevent internal competition. If your plugin shows a snippet preview, review how it will appear on mobile and desktop, and adjust phrasing until it reads naturally and entices clicks. Finish by saving or publishing your change, then clear caches, both plugin and CDN, so search engines can see the update. You must do this or the old description often persists. After clearing, use your SEO plugin's preview or a URL inspection tool to confirm the new meta description is visible. If it still doesn't show, resave permalinks, disable conflicting plugins temporarily, and reapply the description. That usually fixes common issues. If problems continue, roll back and test on a staging site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.